The iPortal also has a search bar, which researchers have come to expect in using databases. Like other search engines or databases, the search bar also includes an autocomplete feature. This is helpful for communities where there might be different spellings. For example, Anishinaabe. Like with other databases, Boolean operators and, or, not need to be capitalized in order to work. There is also an open access filter that you can use to select only the materials that are open access. Otherwise, you will need institutional login credentials in order to access the materials. There are a few other filters that might be helpful, such as oral histories, which will retrieve any oral histories related to the topic you've searched. To view all of the particular formats in the iPortal, click on the Advanced Search link at the bottom and to the right of the search bar. This will show you all of the advanced search options, including being able to click on different resource types. Another highlight the iPortal has is the ability to use primary and non-primary resources, if that is something you are looking for. Either make a selection on the different resource types. Depending on what type of researcher you are, you will see different options for viewing this resource. If you are a USask student trying to see non-open access content, you will need to log in with your NSID. If you are from another university and this home university is also subscribed to these resources and they've registered with us for a link resolver, clicking on this link will prompt the user to log in with your institution's information. You can browse the subject headings and further materials associated with your topic by clicking on the links in the subject field. Researchers have the option to create an account, which is helpful in order to save your favorites and keep track of your previous research. You'll just need an email address and a password.